In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Docusign account email. This process will only take about 5 minutes, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. You can do this by typing Docusign into your search engine or directly entering their web address in the URL bar. Docusign is a leading platform in electronic signature and agreement management, providing a secure and efficient way to manage and sign documents online. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, look for the login button. It's usually positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to proceed. If you don't already have an account, you will need to sign up first, but assuming you do have one, enter your login credentials. This will take you to your Docusign homepage, where all your documents and settings are accessible. At your Docusign home, you'll want to locate your profile section. This is often represented by an icon or a link labeled profile, found either on the top navigation menu or within a drop-down menu under your account name or picture. Clicking on profile will bring up options related to your account settings. Next, click on Manage Profile. This section is where you can update your personal information, including your email address. It's important to keep your profile information up to date to ensure seamless communication and access to Docusign's services. Within the Manage Profile interface, you should see an option labeled Email Address. Click on this option to proceed to the Email Update section. This is where you can change your current email to a new one. Enter your new email address carefully. It's crucial to ensure there are no typos, since Docusign will use this email for all important communications, including verification emails, notifications of signed documents, and any updates related to your account. After you've entered the new email address, look for a confirmation or save button. Clicking this will likely prompt Docusign to send a verification email to your new address. Open another tab or use your email client to check your inbox for this message. If you don't see it right away, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Follow the instructions in the email to confirm and activate your new address. This final step is essential to finalize the update process and ensure that your email on record is accurate and verified. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Docusign account email in just a few steps. If you encounter any issues during this process, Docusign's support team is available to assist you. Keeping your account information current will help maintain smooth operations and timely communications with your Docusign activities. Thanks for watching and have a great day.